Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Celity SSA51. Considering that the only downside to this product is the fact that it weighs a bit more than others do, it is safe to say that this would indeed be a smart acquisition to make, hands down. We start off the list of pros by mentioning the fact that it comes at an affordable price. Not only this, but it puts at your disposal impressive specs and sufficient features to get the job done. Xtronic 3020 XTS. The solid stainless steel build alongside its design make the Xtronic 3020 XTS one of the best picks you could make in terms of longevity. It weighs 1.5 pounds, and it measures 6 inches by 5.5 inches by 8 inches, so finding a storage space for it, as well as moving it around, won't be difficult tasks for you. But enough with the product's design, let us move on to the important. Weller W1010NA. The 70-watt Weller helps you get your projects done faster than ever as the iron heats up quick. Due to the reinforced safety rest, secure iron storage is always granted. Another safety aspect stands in the temperature stability and temperature lock that protect the tips and components to provide consistency. The LCD screen displays settings so that you are granted convenient. Hakko FX888D 23BY, a corded station that you will grow fond of fast as it is intuitive to use. The Hakko is one of our top recommendations to you. It comes at quite a reasonable price, and considering its numerous features, it is one acquisition you should not skip on. One of its biggest highlights is the password function that does not allow anyone else besides you to use it, you and those who. Weller WES51, an analog model that comes with a specialized pencil and a sponge. The WES51 delivers everything you could ever need for soldering applications like reworking, repairs, and so on. Due to the fact that it comes with numerous safety features, it is even usable in a continuous production environment. The quick heat up and recovery times delivered by the ingenious heater and sensor.